Good evening, sir. We will start our presentation about Microsoft Excel tutorial. Microsoft Excel tutorial. This presentation is a comprehensive introduction to Microsoft Excel, providing a beginner-friendly guide to its functionalities, feature, and application. Microsoft Excel tutorial. Ay, sorry. Overview of Excel capabilities and application. Capabilities. Excel Excel is a versatile tool for organizing, analyzing, and visual data. It encompasses a wide range of functions, from example calculation to complex financial modeling and other example data management and organization. Ito po yung spread layout uses for grade-basis system of row and columns for organizing data, and data analysis and calculation. For formula and function includes a vast library of built-in function for arithmetic, data, data visualization, chart art and graphs, include column and bar pie, line scatter, and more, and collaboration of integration. Real-time collaboration. Multiple users can work on same spreadsheet and seamlessly. Application. From personal budgeting and tracking to managing large and data sets and generating business report. Excel has vast application in various industry and for various purposes, like business application, data analysis, academic research, personal use, and specialized industry. One of the example, the business application for use financial analysis, budgeting, forecasting, and financial modeling. And other example of data analysis for static analysis, analyzing trends, deviation, and correlation. And lastly, personal use for budgeting and expenses tracking. Create personal financial plans. Number 3, slide 3 po.
Navigating the Excel interface, menus, ribbons, and toolbars. Menus. The menus provide access to a wide range of features and commands, including file management, editing, and formatting. Menus provide access to a comprehensive set of tools and features such as file management, editing, and formatting. These options are organized into categories for easy navigation. Ribbons. The ribbon is a collection of tabs and groups that offer quick access to commonly used tools and functions. The ribbon consists of tabs and groups, offering a visual layout of commonly used tools and functions. It simplifies access to essential features and organizes them into relevant sections for efficiency. Toolbars. Toolbars provide shortcuts for frequently used commands, enhancing efficiency. Toolbars. Toolbars provide shortcuts for frequently used commands, enhancing efficiency and streamlining workflow. Toolbars act as a shortcut for frequently used commands, streamlining your workflow. They enhance productivity by reducing the need to navigate through menus or ribbons.
Next slide.
Entering and formatting data, cells, rows, and columns. Cells, the basic building blocks of a spreadsheet. Cells are used to store individuals' data points. They can contain text, numbers, date, and formulas. So dito sa cells, cells are the basic building blocks of a spreadsheet. They are used to store individual data points such as text, numbers, date, and formulas. Each cells act as a single unit where you can input and organize information for analysis or computation. Number two, rows and columns provide structure to the spreadsheet, allowing for organized data entry and analysis. They can be resized and formatted to suit your needs. Then dito sa rows and columns, form the framework of a spreadsheet, creating a grid that organizes data for easy entry and analysis. Rows run horizontally and are numbered while columns run vertically and are labeled with letters. You can resize and format them, such as adjusting width, height, or style to better fit your data and make it more readable. Next, boss.
Slide 5. Sino po dyan?
Formulas and functions, basic calculation and advanced computations. The first one is basic calculations. It performs arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. First of all, in this one, this is where we start with simple things or stuff. Things like adding, subtracting, multiplying, or dividing numbers. For example, if you want to add two numbers, you just enter the formula and it gives you the result. Think of it like using a calculator but directly inside Excel. And the next one is advanced computations. It utilizes built-in functions to perform statistical analysis, financial modeling, and complex calculations. In this one, it is something more powerful. Here, we use built-in functions to solve more complex problems. You can do things like statistical analysis, financial modeling, or other complicated calculations. So overall, basic calculations can handle simple math. And the second one, or advanced computations, allow you to handle more complex scenarios or specialized functions. Next slide po.
So, we have a example, simple calculation po with formula po sa Excel. So, ito po, parang grading system po siya. May prelim, midterm, final, and average. Tapos yung grades po, parang A is yung pinakamataas po na grades. Like ganito po, mag-input po tayo ng 90 and 99, I mean 95 and 92. So, bali ang makukuha na average is 92.33. So, ang grades niya po is A. Like, andito po sa formula is yung E5. So, bali, kapag ang nakuha is 90, A po ang makukuha. Kung 80 po is B. And kung 70 is C. Kung lowest po is 60, D and F. Then sa average naman po, ang nilagay namin formula Ito, pinag-add po tapos kinuha po yung average by dividing 3 and niround off po para makuha po yung final grades po. Next slide.
Charting and visualizations. Creating meaningful data representations. Number 1. Excel offers a variety of chart types, such as bar charts, pie charts, line charts, and scatter plots. In this one, Excel offers a wide range of charts options. Each type serves as a different purpose and can display your data in a way that it's easy to understand. Number 2. Choose the chart type that best represents your data and provide insights for decision making. It is important to select the chart that best represents your data. For example, if you want to show trends over time, a line chart might be the best option. If you need to compare different categories, a bar chart could work better, and choosing the right chart can help highlight key insights and make decision making easier. Number 3, customize charts with colors, labels, legends, and grid lines to enhance clarity and visual appeal. This one is customizing. In this part, you can add colors, labels, and grid lines to make your charts more informative and visually appealing. A well-designed chart not only look good but it also communicates your message clearly. Thank you. Next slide po.
Slide 7 po. Sino po dito?
Collaboration and sharing. Co-authoring. Multiple users work on the same spreadsheet simultaneously, making real-time edits and collaborating effectively. Ito po ay may kakayahang marami ang gagamit sa pag-edit sa isang workbook ng Excel at sabay-sabay at the same time at nagbibigay daan sa mga gumagamit ng sa mas even in different location also authorized person to access the workbook. Commenting. Leave comments on specific cells or sections of the spreadsheet to provide feedback, ask questions, or clarify information. And it serves to know the queries of a person sa data na nilagay at isa din itong komunikasyon para matugunan ang isang bagay na kailangang ayusin sa isang data. Version control. Track changes made to the spreadsheet over time, allowing for easy rollback and comparison of previous versions. It can manage changes to files, documents, or even software over time. Next slide, please. Creating the PowerPoint presentation. Highlighting key Excel concepts. First, the data organization. The data organization, arranging and structuring data in a logical and consistent manner to facilitate easy analysis. Number 2, the data analysis. Data analysis, extracting insights and meaningful information from the data. And last, the data visualization. It is a graphical representation of facilitate understanding and analysis and also communication. By leveraging the power of Excel, you can create compelling and informative PowerPoint presentation that effectively convey your data and insights. That's all for today, sir. Thank you.
Thank you po.